Hello, Sunny Bonani, beautiful people.
Hello. Sisitumelang jwang tsedi. Phela lamanye amalanguage shona mayini. Vele umzulu ngeke akuzwe. So ngisho ngathi turna yena pitale kankarera. Uzothi ay sebeqaleke labesuthu lapho.
Uzothi mungithuka nawe futhi umuthandaza. Amen. We're on our way to, where are we going?
Siyale Nelspruit.
We are going to Nelspruit, another day, another road trip.
Yes.
Another comedy show.
Siyolapha more souls.
Yeah. Sizwile ukuthi umphakathi waseNelspruit abantu abahlekisana nabo ababahlekisi. So ke as love technicians we are going to deliver. Abuti Lolo, say hi to my YouTube family.
Hello. YouTube family.
Yeah.
Can you guys also start viewing my thing so that I can reach at least 1,000 views?
Besides the generation,
Hello.
Ubona no DSTV advertise at DSTV because SABC ngeke advertise at DSTV. Oh, I love those. I want a house with those as my outside building. All of them. Let me show you guys. I want those. Can they see them? It's not. I know it's not. So because we are normal people and we work so hard, we got hungry on our way. So we stopped and we bought some food. Simphiwe bought a bucket of KFC for himself. I don't know where the food goes, but he bought a whole bucket of KFC for himself.
Yeah, because never want to propose.
He's trying to propose there so he can.
So I love to do it buckets.
Everything is getting noticed, them signs, whether it's proposals or dead bodies being dragged into offices.
I notice who came.
No comment. No comment. See you later, guys. I've got to eat. Let me show you what I'm eating. I'm not even gonna show you. It's just food. Food that I'm paying to eat that I'm not being paid for. See you later. See you later, guys.
Hello, I'm Thenjiwe. Thenjiwe, limatete. Niyapila mo love.
So guys, we just got stopped by Mpumalanga police.
Question is 100 rand.
So by the time I Coca-Cola, we drink by days 100 rand. Oh, it's a restaurant. I want 100 rand.
Hey, you're busy drinking.
I am busy drinking Mpumalanga. How did you get out of it? But bakhuluma ngoxolisa. Cela umshuthe bani. Asichazele ukuthi how we got out of it.
Like bengixolisa kuphela. Bathe balokhu uthi ngiyaxolisa nje baba, ngiyaxolisa. Ufuna isiphi ngithi cha. Ngiyaxolisa. Ngibengana wari ngaloko mfethu.
Vela mama.
Bengizoyenza njani? Ishubile.
So ukuxolisa kuyasiza.
Always apologize.
Ngani ukuxolisa? ukuxolisa ngathi kuyasho ukuthi sendipractice vele ukuxolisa since kuze December. Nambe emakhaya nize nibuye ngoJanuary 5 mekuthiwa benikephi nithi ngiyaxolisa. Ngiseseniyenzelani vele leyo?
It's a one way. Kodwa kumnandi ukuxolisa ngempela ngolimi lwayo ukuxolisa.
Ay niyakwazi ukuxolisa abantu besilisa.
Oh, now I'm getting it.
So it's good we're back on the road after being stopped. Good thing is we are in South Africa, so Uxolisa and 100 rand.
That's
Take
all.
it, yeah.
Ngisho manje wenza imeda.
Did you see video
Which one?
Undosi?
Oh,
Ethi abaphakamisa izandla abaqomike ukuba kuphakamisa umkakhe bezothi nje.
Hey,
Kumane nje kuphakamisa umkakhe. Athi hawu baba phela uthi asiphakamisa. Awusho ukuthi hayi mina. Ubezothini? Ngoba naye usho ukuthi yena kasonto.
ngoba nje bese sikhulume ngocele nje. Sidingeka into esoft enyanga.
Ezothi wehlisa.
Wehlise lo leya yonke leya nto. Yalo leya limo.
Yeah. You really have to call me. I didn't even sit down.
Hawu ngikhumbula.
I barely walked in.
Ngikhumbula osixoxa.
Hi.
Singaxoxa besihamba nabesuku.
Uzoshihlayo-ke leyo camera.
Hayi le camera is
Oh, yayazi.
Hi, how are you?
ile camera.
Ngishemsana.
This is nice. Because you can
2 years
all
from
this
now.
combine all
You
this
know these things,
footage.
man.
Yeah.
Sengihlala phesheya.
Sengithi this is where they started. Sengindayisela i-footage yeni.
No, you're doing it.
Ngaba ukuthi kumele stick la kuma camera.
aphathi camera nje anilandela aphathi camera anilandela.
Sisiyaphuthuma ngiyamphazamisa.
Nayo leyo camera.
We are backstage, all dressed and ready.
Yeah.
What does Sifiso Nene come and ask us?
Bengibuza mina ukuthi basazohamba nogqoka owabili noma this is
How fast? Just one boy can get, not much more than
This one's in.
No.
Where?
The show with the fly is ice cream.
No. This shirt is new. This is the second time for getting shit.
Should we have a
Yeah, very. This is my color.
Oh, it was white.
Yeah. Chinese color.
Ah.
Yeah.
So Chinese it is.
Chinese color.
In Pumalang. For the Chinese in Pumalang. Your sisters, your mom.
Hello.
Sure.
How's that?
Bani bonani bantu base Nelspruit. We are all happy. And one thing ladies you must know ukuthi amadoda wanandaba ukuthi vele linjani. Ngisho ngathiwa sekufanele drip yasesibhedlela ephekwamanzi. Ngoba fika sebenkomoshele kubona uzuthi cancel. Ukuba nentuthuko ngiconcentrate kuyona njengebele ngabe sesiyifestival.
20 minutes later.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Thenjiwe.
Life of an entertainer, we're rushing from one gig to another.
From Ntuli, angazi yaphi mara.
I think I'm gonna have to change in the car. I even forgot since we took the lift. Oh, I remember they were hugging you, Abuti. That lady did not.
I'm a snake.
The lady did not wanna get. Oh my God.
I'm a snake.
The way she was hugging you.
I'm a snake.
Actually, I'm taking you for a pregnancy test too. I've never seen anyone being hugged like that. Sangena liften. When we tell you guys that comedy is not a joke, you think we are joking.
It's not a joke, guys. I had to take a towel and stay.
You never have to leave Pick and Pay and rush to ShopRite.
Ever.
And we have to.
Now we're rushing to other shows.
Yep. Not us. Sawubona. Njani?
Comedy will put you in a lift with strangers.
Yes.
And not a speed, not Gushish.
For Tabo still doesn't understand his Zulu. Let's go.
Is it us?
The Shabumma.
Ati no stop.
It's almost, it's close to closing the show.
Eh?
It's close to finishing the show.
Una man. Hey you. So I'm the only one who's not getting out. Am I the only one not getting out?
You need a warm one, but there's some good. Get out to get look on.
I love it.
Love it to my friend.
Always on camera.
I've moved on.
Oh, Smokey in the house. You know, I didn't know you eat. I've never seen you eating.
Oh well, it's the munchies. Yeah. Yabona, sibasihle ukudla kwama rabbit. Ngidla ama greens. I smoke my greens. Kunjani?
Naphila sithanda sami njani?
All is well.
Masengibone wena phela all has to be well.
And the thing by me that read it up I made it hard for the next person after me, even the host. Even the host, Angbanyisi. So sure that when I do so live.
So ngizobheka ngithi yabo le show Smokey, copy and paste.
Copy and paste to sugar one.
Usuke endlini.
Then you know. So good I make you look on camera. I appreciate you.
Where are my shoes? Okay, I've got shoes. Let me get ready, guys. It's about to go on. It's about to happen. Yabona ke manje bahleba ngami bakhuluma into engingayazi.
Basihleba sisuke sikhuluma behind your back, sikhulume phambi kwakho.
Ngikhuluma ngami phambi kwakho. Summery. Wena makaka unamakaka.
Guys, Nalane, I had to cover for this slow. I'm going to go 2 hours. Yes, because I'm tired, you know what I mean. And by the way, I'm nice here, Fanelana, and the Kanabuya, a monotone. Smokey, I'm going to put my over him nice, is it too? Thanks. You know, Smokey, we
don't have a budget for my extras for this one,
Smokey. We only have for our main actors and my extras. How? Put Lolo at the back. So, guys, this is Thenjiwe, the one and only. You've seen her everywhere. She's going in and out the country, and I want her to make me a visa so that me and I can bond well. I mean, I love my sister. Like, she's been there for me in Carnival City, and I owe her this.
Let me go.